Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of egg cups, then you'll love these easy and tasty egg cup combinations. Tasty egg cup combinations. Well, there's nothing wrong with enjoying some from your favorite coffee shop on occasion. Making them yourself on a more regular basis can be a real game changer. This way you know exactly what's in your food, plus you get to save the extras to enjoy later. Each of these combos makes 2 to 3 egg cups, so you can easily double the recipes if you're meal prepping them. I like to season mine with salt, pepper, and garlic, but feel free to use what you prefer. Here are some egg cup combos you can make at home in under 30 minutes. So give us a thumbs up and keep watching. For the broccoli and cheddar, you will need 2 to 3 eggs, handful of broccoli chopped, 1/4 cup shredded cheddar, 1 tablespoon avocado oil or olive oil, and some seasoning. For the prosciutto and goat cheese, you will need 2 to 3 eggs, 2 to 3 pieces of prosciutto chopped, 1/4 cup goat cheese crumbles, 1 tablespoon avocado oil or olive oil, and seasoning of choice. For the tomato and spinach, you will need 2 to 3 eggs, handful of grape tomatoes halved, 1/2 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon avocado oil or olive oil, and some seasoning. For the sausage and mozzarella, you will need 2 to 3 eggs, 1/2 cup sausage crumbles cooked, 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella, 1 tablespoon avocado oil or olive oil, and some seasoning. For the bacon and chive, you will need 2 to 3 eggs, 2 to 3 pieces bacon cooked, 1/4 cup chives chopped, 1 tablespoon avocado oil or olive oil, and some seasoning. And all you have to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Lightly coat a muffin tin with olive oil or avocado oil spray. Beat the eggs and olive oil until fully combined. Pour the egg mixture 3/2 of the way into each muffin tray. Add in the ingredients of your choice until the egg mixture almost reaches the top of the tin. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. The egg cups will rise a good bit while baking. Once you remove them and let them cool, they will go down and can be removed from the muffin tray and enjoy right away or save for later. That's all. Thanks for watching. Share the video with your friends and family to try these recipes. And see you in the next video.